Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explain how large language models actually work. So these models power tools like modern AI chatbots and assistants, but many people still wonder what's happening behind the scenes. So let's break it down in simple terms. First of all, let's just understand what a large language model or LLM actually is. So an LLM is an AI system trained on the huge amounts of text data so that it can understand and generate the human-like language. Instead of memorizing the answers, it learns the patterns in language. The process starts with training the data. During training, the model reads billions or even trillions of words from the books, websites, articles, and other text sources. From this data, the model is going to learn how the words relate to each other and how sentences are structured. Next comes the neural network. LLMs are built using the deep neural networks, which are basically layers of the mathematical operations that process the information. Each layer analyzes the input text and passes the result to the next layer, gradually building a deeper understanding of the context. Another key concept is tokens. Instead of reading the full sentence at once, the model breaks the text into the smaller pieces that are called tokens. So these can be the words or the parts of the words. The AI processes tokens and predicts what token should come next. The core task of the model is prediction. When you type a prompt, the model doesn't search the internet for an answer. Instead, it predicts the most likely next word based on the patterns it learned during the training. It repeats the prediction step many times to generate the full responses. LLMs also use something which is called attention mechanisms. This allows the model to focus on the most important parts of a sentence when generating a response. It is going to help the AI understand the context instead of treating every word equally. Over time, the model improves through the fine tuning and the feedback. Developers adjust the models using the additional training and human feedback so that the responses become more accurate, helpful, and safe. So in simple terms, the large language models work by learning patterns from the massive text databases, processing language through the neural networks, and predicting the most relevant words to create the meaningful responses. So if this video helped you understand how large language models actually work, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.